Hello guys, in this video we try to see when to trade and when not, so stay tuned. Hello guys, my name is Abdelkarim Ramain. I am your teacher and coach. So in this video it's very simple. We try to see when to trade stocks and when not. Most of the time, especially the beginning of the year, I was positive. It means from 26 December, January, February, March and April. So all these months, whenever I talk, I say the market is good, it is strong, you will find a lot of stocks going up. Even there are some stocks that we don't think about, like Snapchat. Okay, it goes 300% from 26 December. It's going up a little bit, but people, because they don't focus a lot on stocks that are very famous, they miss a lot of opportunities. Okay, now in May, the market has been going down into a downtrend. You have seen that, and I showed you in many videos. So whenever you go long, you find that you have a lot of losses. Okay, hope you are using stop loss and you limit your losses to little loss. Okay, now in June we have a good uptrend, but this week, that's why I made a video on Saturday or on Sunday. I said to you, this week is very decisive. Either the market will cross the high of last year, 2018. If it crosses, the whole market will be positive. All the people will be positive and a lot of people buy, and you see that the market continue its a big trend of the beginning of the year. Okay, but these days, especially this week, it will be difficult. Either it will be good and the big trend continue and almost all the stocks are going up, or it will be going down. And if you have some stocks, try to watch very closely this week. Even if it's not this week, it could be next week, but this week is decisive. And Monday was not that good. It means it doesn't go up good, it doesn't go down good. So we should be waiting for tomorrow, which is Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday, and we will see. And if things work, I will tell you here. Now, why I am always talking about the market, the mood of the market? Because all the people, all the participants of the market, swing trader, short-term trader, investors, when they see positive thing, they are very happy to buy more. Okay, so when the market is troubled, the people are scared, and a lot of people, they sell. And you, if you are going to buy when the people are selling, you will be losing a lot of money, because any share of a stock in the stock market is based on the value of the share. A lot of buyers, these shares will go up. A lot of sellers, these shares will go down and the value will go down. And you see it in your portfolio or when you are trading. So you should, in general, if you are following the market, you trade when the market is positive, when there is a trend in the market. You will find all the stocks most of the stocks having trends. Yes, you will see that some stocks have better percentage than the other one. For example, let's say you, as the other people, they say, oh, by the average, you will be okay, 7 or 8% each year, as they say about the S&P 500 or Dow Jones. Okay, You buy, for example, Dow Jones from 26 December, when the beginning of the trend, until now, you found that you get 25% of your account. It's just an example, okay? But you go to Snapchat, it has made 300%. So it's 12 times the performance of the Dow Jones. So you see that? You see that smaller stocks, other kind of stocks are doing always better than the average. That's why we trade. Because if you want just the average, and you just go and buy an index like an ETF, and that's it. But people are looking for more. Now, if you are losing money, as I see some people, they send me emails, okay, I say I lost money. This is because of the stocks choice. If you buy some stocks that are not following the market is in uptrend. If you see Dow Jones is going up and your stock is going down, it means that your stock has a problem. Okay? It has a problem. Try to see the index it belongs to. It means the industry. Okay? Now, if you see that the market is going sideways, try not to trade too much. And this is the problem of almost all traders, especially short-term traders. They see that there is no trend and they throw their money into the market, and each stock they go to it, they lose money because it goes 1 day or two and then it collapses. It goes one day or 2 or 3 and then it collapses. This is because there is no trend. Okay? So try always to be logical about the market. The market are people like you. Okay? If they see some stocks are good, they buy. If not, they will sell. And if you hold on the loser, you will be hurted. You will be hurt and you will be losing a lot of money. So that is for the general market. There is an exception for this rule, which is the mood of the market. Exception. Where you can always trade. If you are a day trader, because in the day trading, you don't follow a trend. Okay? In a day trader, your trend is the day. If it is going up, you go long. If it is going down, you short. That's it. What you should do every day. So your mission is to see only if the day is going up or down. That's it. From yesterday. Okay? Now, other kinds of stocks that I talked about before that they don't follow the market are IPOs and penny stocks. Those are special cases because their momentum is different from the whole market. You see a penny stock, it was $1, it goes to $2, $3, $4, $5, and the market is going down, but this stock is going up because it has a different momentum. Penny stocks have different momentum. Smaller stocks have different momentum. So if you want to trade better, you should do these penny stocks. Another thing is IPOs. IPOs, when they start trading, companies, their momentum is different. Okay, sometimes some stocks do very, very well. Some they do very, very bad, regardless of the market. Okay, regardless of the market maybe is going down, and you see that those stocks are going up. So you just have to search. Okay, and always stay safe when you don't know the trend. When you feel confused, just stop trading for a while. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, until you see what's going on. If you are doing mistakes, you should correct them. If the market is troubled, going up and down, you don't know the trend, so you should stop, except when you are a day trader. Now, these are just suggestions that I always try to give you guys. Now, if you have some other suggestions or opinion, please comment, and share my videos. Thank you very much, and see you next video.